Okie dokie. I'm gonna figure out my other. Basically, these two guys have to be in line center with the center of the wheel. It has to be parallel to the wheel, and the front of it has to be flush with the front of this guy's. So now that you understand, I'm just gonna get it done and I'll show it to you once I got it. So there she is, all done. I put some linseed oil. I installed the 2-inch gauge and I left 2.5 inches exactly there. The feet, the rubber feet that are removed from the grinder, I actually put them on the base, so I can bring it wherever I want. Because I got the CBN wheels, I don't think it's gonna vibrate. I didn't try it because I haven't tied this nuts, because I have a brass one and I just ordered the ones, the self-centering, just to make sure that this runs absolutely true. What I learned was this was a bit of a pain in the butt to align, because it has to be parallel to the wheel and so on. What I did figure out though, I use this type of screws, like the countersunk type. You have to absolutely nail the center of where the 3 screws go. I did manage to do that, but then as I was thinking about it, I thought, let's say that you miss this or you want to like micro adjust it. Once you it's on and you put this base, you will know if you're not in line, because this this line here will not line up with the edge of your wheel. So if you use and instead of a countersunk screw, you use one of this, it's gonna give you some wiggle room for you to, you know, loosen up the screws and micro adjust, so you get it right. And then I will say loosen up this too, and once you got it lined up, tie the one in the center so you can still, you know, top it and then tie up the other ones. But other than that, the other thing was that I bought the Rikon 2, and the Rikon 2 has its own attachment compared to this one that is used with the Rikon. So and also I bought those raptor measurement tools that are kind of meant to use with this. I mean, they're still used for the top. I'm talking about, I think of them here. You can still use this side, but this part this way is meant to hook there and line up with the wheel. So I'm not sure I even need that. And even looking at the Rikon instructions, when it talks about distance of how far you put your gouge, is 1 3/4 and 2 1/4. However, it says between. So which brings me to, do I need this? But then again, because we love tools, it'll give me an excuse to buy the original Rikon too. And I think that's what we're gonna do, because that's what we normally do. We just buy shit. Anyways, that's it for this one. Don't follow me because I don't have a clue where I'm going. And thanks for being here. I'll catch up with you soon. Ciao.